I'm Gene Thompson. I'm the president of Bierschbach Equipment. One of the things we enjoy is that you get to know us. You listen to what we're talking about, and you're thinking of our best interest in mind. I think you dig deeper. You're looking into what our goals are, what our values are as a company, and work to get us in that direction. We felt a comfort level right away that you care about our needs. And it's not just dollar signs at the end of the project. That is the journey to get there. And you're looking out for our best interests.